So you are thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure that you're going to get the best return on your investment. Well, here are some tips to help you reach that goal. First, let's talk about curb appeal. You'll never get a second chance to make the first impression. It's the first thing buyers will see when they arrive at your home. The best thing that you can do is to rent a power washer or have someone come and do the power washing for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway, off your sidewalk, and off your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for me to open that lockbox, and it gives a chance for the buyer to really look at your entryway while they're waiting to get inside. So take a moment to declutter the entry area and buy a new welcoming mat if you need to. Most importantly, make sure you do not have any paint peeling off the front door or cobwebs around the lights. Second, make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyers' agents said that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the very best features of your home. Also, research shows that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not staged. And the good news is our listings include professional staging as part of our service. We have over 2,000 square feet of warehouse to ensure we have your home appealing to today's buyers. Third, marketing is essential. You're going to want to make sure you get professional photos with aerial shots using a drone and professional photos. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online. So professional photos is an absolute must when preparing to sell your home. Lastly, now that your home is all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. We don't recommend sellers to be home while buyers and their agents walk through the home. So you'll need to prepare to leave and tidy up the house. A few things you can do is to plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, find a place to bring your pets during showings. Maybe family members or a good friend to take care of them. These tips will help you get your home sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve. For more information, feel free to give us a call. I'm Catherine Zoll with eXp Realty, and remember, we're here to educate and navigate your real estate journey. Look forward to seeing you next time.